is on a great shock and dismay that all the 13 local government chairmen and 64 world leaders in Ebonyi State condemned the massacre in Ishelu by the suspected henchmen in Ebonyi State, Nigeria on 29th March 2021. One of the local government chairman, Honorable Paul Nwoga, representing Izi local government area, speak during the briefing on Wednesday, 31st March 2021, charged the security agencies to be on watch and fish out all the perpetrators within 72 hours to bring them to book and make sure that justice take its effect, and as well charged the security men to beef up the security agencies across the 13 local government area of Ebonyi State, and as well assured the security men that all the local government chairmen and all the world leaders are on watch to make sure that none of this kind of atrocity will take place again in Ebonyi State.
And we condemn the massacre at Ishelu local government. We agreed there is a resolution and we want the PRO of Argon to read it for the public. Thank you.
Thank you, the Argon chairman of Ebonyi State. That's the Honorable Mrs. Nkechi Nyiriyoko, who happens to be the executive chairman of Ohoza local government area of Ebonyi State. My dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, here with you this evening are the 13 local government areas of Ebonyi State and the 64 development center coordinators of Ebonyi State as well. We have met today and we are here to present to you, the general public and the press, with what happened in the three communities in Ishelu local government area of Ebonyi State on Monday this week. It is totally condemnable where about over 25 persons were killed in Obego and Nkalaha communities in the local government area of Ebonyi State by suspected herdsmen. During our meeting today, we condemn in its entirety the unwarranted, unprovoked killing of innocent people. Nothing on earth will excuse the unwarranted attack levied against our people. And we want to tell the general public that it is unfortunate because in Ebonyi State, we have been living and coexisting peacefully without differences. And that is the credit we give to the governor of Ebonyi State, Engineer Chief David Umezomahi, because he has been piloting it. But surprisingly, what we were paid back for, the peace has given out is the killing of our innocent people. We condemn with strong words that from today henceforth, we support the law against open grazing in Ebonyi State. If you want to operate open grazing in Ebonyi State, you should be ready to meet with us because both the development center coordinators and the local government area chairman for Ebonyi State are already on watch to make sure that what happened in Ishelu does not repeat itself again. And again, we want to state it categorically that the security agencies, despite their trials, have not done enough, and they should do more than what they did. One, by providing security to people living in different localities to make sure that such that happened on Monday does not repeat itself again. And we'll give them 72 hours to make sure that the people who perpetrated that ugly act were arrested and tried and give justice to the victims. While we appeal to the people living in different localities to remain calm, to enable the security agencies concentrate and carry out this duty I will charge them to do today. To make available to the press the written and signed communique by the 13 local government areas of Ebonyi State and probably the development center coordinators in due course. It's not going to take time. We'll present it so that you go ahead to publish it. Because we're not against anybody in Ebonyi State. What we are all speaking for is to protect our people, and that is what we're all out for. And we say that anybody who has the intention of coming to destroy the governor of Ebonyi State, from today henceforth, is going to meet the highest resistance whatsoever. So the press, that is why we've called you here today, this evening. Today is 31st of March 2021.